Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete, shared, or reposted video on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to launch my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to my profile, and usually the videos we have reposted will appear right here on the reposted section. But as you can see guys, I haven't reposted any video yet, so I'm going to go to my TikTok home or TikTok for your page, and I'm going to try to repost a video from here. For example, this video guys, I'm going to repost this video. If you want to repost, we can click on this icon, and then we just need to click on repost. Okay, and now this video has been reposted, and I'm going to repost one more video. For instance, this one, I'm going to click on this icon, and then we're going to click on repost. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go back to my profile. All right, and then we can click on this icon to open up the video we have reposted. And these are the videos I have just reposted guys, and I'm going to show you how we can remove all these videos from our TikTok profile. If you want to delete, shared, or reposted video on your TikTok, you can select the video you want to delete like this, and then you can click on you reposted, and then click on this option, and you can simply click on remove repost. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to delete this reposted video as well. You can tap on that and then click on you reposted, and click on reposted, and simply click on remove repost, and the videos will be removed from your TikTok profile. Okay, I'm going to check it guys. If the videos have not been removed, you can refresh your TikTok like this. And okay, now the reposted video section is empty. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete reposted video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.